Question 2. The principal of a school is hosting a small luncheon for her staff. She plans to prepare 2 sandwiches for each person. Some staff members offer to bring salad and beverages. The principal has a budget of $225 and expects at least 16 people to attend. Sandwiches cost $3. Select all of the equations and inequalities that could represent the constraints of the situation, where n is the number of people attending and s is the number of sandwiches. So you notice as I went through and did that, I kind of highlighted the key information. Probably what would have been even better is for me to read it once and then go back and highlight the information after I've read all the way through it. But that first statement is saying that the number of people is greater than or equal to 16. And up here it says that at least she expects at least 16 people to attend. So that means that A would be a true inequality for this problem. How about B? N would be greater than or equal to 32. That is not true. Okay, that statement right there is saying that the number of people is going to be greater than or equal to 32. But up there it says that it's going to be at least 16. C, S, so the number of sandwiches is going to be less than 2 times the number of people. Okay, so let me say that one more time. The number of sandwiches is going to be less than 2 times the number of people. So on that one, that would be like, that. This is first of all not going to be true, because you can kind of imagine, let's say I had 2 times the number of people. Let's say, I don't know, 20 people attend. Let's say n was equal to 20, because at least 16 people there are going to be. Then this is saying that S, the number of sandwiches, has to be less than 40. Okay, and on this one, we want to have at least 2 sandwiches per person. And so that's not going to work out for part C. D, S is equal to 2n. So the number of sandwiches is equal to 2 times the number of people. That is correct, okay, because we do want to have 2 sandwiches per person. Or if I take the number of people times 2, that tells me how many sandwiches, because it's 2 sandwiches per person. The third one, 3n, is less than or equal to 225. That is correct. Okay, that is true, because it costs $3 for each sandwich. And so, I'm just a second. That is not true. I'm lying. Okay, that's not true, because it costs $3 for each sandwich, not $3 for each person. So on that one, that's not true. They almost tricked me. But the last one is true, because it costs $3 for each sandwich. S is the number of sandwiches. So 3 times S would represent the cost. And we have a budget of $225. So that cost has to be less than or equal to $225.